Okay. So first we go to
Mm-hmm.
1 minute. Let it say recording.
Yeah.
Okay. So first we go to google.com/mymaps.
Okay.
Okay. And then we have to prepare a file, which like you
Mm-hmm.
showed me. Let's
Okay.
say I have something called okay. So here you had this pin code and you wanted to show number of companies, right?
Right.
So right now I'm going to start with 700,001 and
Okay.
let's say 100 companies.
Perfect.
This one I'll just fill series and okay, zip code and then just at random put some numbers here. Let's see what this you okay with this? Although it shouldn't be
Absolutely.
negative, but
That's okay. That's not a problem.
just okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to save it as a CSV file. You
Okay.
remember we had talked about
Yes,
CSV
comma
file,
separated value.
comma separated value. So that's the type of
Correct.
file it requires.
Okay. XLX.
Oh,
We
sorry,
didn't change the
sorry,
format.
sorry, sorry, sorry. It has to be CSV. Good catch. It's so slow today, my God.
I don't know. Even my Excel also has been responding very slowly today, the entire day.
Oh, is it?
Yes, I've had a real tough time to taking out data. I don't know why.
So comma separated value file.
Perfect.
And I now close this. So I go back to my map here, and here
Okay.
there is an import option.
Okay.
I import I select the file.
Okay.
This is the reason why that CSV file has to be converted, because one application can't read Excel, but it can read CSV or text files.
I get 2 points, sir.
That's the CSV file. Now, once I import, I need to tell
Mm-hmm.
which is my identifier. Like pin code is my
Okay.
identifier. So that is
Okay.
what it will use for showing.
Okay.
And what should be the marker?
Okay.
Here, number of companies is my marker.
Okay.
And then I do finish.
Okay.
It got those negative things. I think that's why it could not do it. Let me just fix that.
Let's keep a step. Yes, 10. Huh. Perfect. I'll tell you why this is happening. This is probably happening because of the fact that there are certain pin codes that actually does not exist,
Oh,
I
that's
guess.
also possible. So 42 of them probably don't exist.
Yes.
Let's say 1 to 100 definitely exists, right?
Yes. Yes.
So let's just keep 1 to 100 for now. Okay.
Sounds good.
Let me see if I can fix it over there. These are the ones that don't exist. Okay.
Correct.
do it one by one.
Yes, it's better that we upload it once again.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Now, these are all your markers. So when you bring your cursor here and you click on it,
Okay.
it shows you this. Now, what else would you be wanting? You would probably want a marker to show this place of the something like that, right?
Right.
Would this suffice, first of all, for you?
See, this in actual would give me a proper idea of the geography that I'm currently handling, but then there's more to it. Why I say
Okay.
more to it? Because I would just take you through this map
Okay.
right now. So if we move around the markers near the যেখানে কলকাতা লেখা রয়েছে আর কি,
This one?
this one, the
This
at
one.
the right at the middle.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. So yes, so this is where the maximum number of clients from Calcutta belong
Okay.
here at IndiaMart.
Right.
So and these are being catered by numerous L1s. So if I were to see which geography is being catered by which field executive,
Hmm.
I don't think that will be
You would need to add a column for field executive.
right.
Okay. So in
Okay.
that case, we would need to modify our let's say field executive. Oh, this one I think will show only, it can only handle, I think, 2 columns. No, but the same person, will he be handling multiple?
Yes, say one particular individual would be handling say around 10 to 12 pin codes.
Pin codes. Okay. Here I think it only works on 2 columns.
আমার ক্লাস চলছে এমটেকের, 10টা শেষ হবে, দাঁড়াও। So I get the option to add field executive also.
So now only thing here is you have to bring your cursor. Now we'll have to see whether we can display this. Yeah.
Okay.
See this? D, D, B,
Yes.
B, C.
Yes. 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 This would suffice, I must say. This would do.
Okay. The other thing, I don't know if that, because these are not serially organized. Otherwise, you could have grouped them also.
Correct. So
But
what happens in Power BI, like what I saw, one of my colleagues from Bangalore,
hmm,
he taught me this today. It is only because of the fact that I have access to Power BI desktop and the 14-day trial
okay.
for what is that called, Tableau. Uh, I will not be able to use it permanently unless and until the company grants me the permission to
Correct.
use them and
Correct.
pays the
Correct.
particular company or clients on my behalf. So what this guy has done is, this guy has very tactfully, he has managed to portray all the geographies in a very simple manner. Like he could map, say for example, like if you see the left hand side where you see D, B, B and D again, right next to river Hooghly. Yes, yes. So he has mapped it as a zone, and this was possible in Tableau and BI, Power BI, but I don't think this will be possible here in Google Maps. So he made it a cluster. He could mark it as a cluster in itself with a different color and a different visual appeal
Now that you would
altogether.
have to do it manually.
Okay.
Hmm. For example, let's say we have this cluster, right?
Okay. Okay.
So how do you want your clusters to be named?
Say we have A, B, C, D. A caters to one particular cluster, B the second cluster, C the third cluster, and D the fourth cluster.
Like this. Only
Yes.
4.
Yes. Because why I say four is because of the fact that we have only considered four field executives here. Had it
Oh,
been 10, so I would have
oh, okay.
requested
But
to
then your
put in 10 names.
salesperson and your cluster, would they be one-on-one?
Not really. That wouldn't happen here at India Mart. But then once I get the idea, I could at least
You can
rework
play
it.
around and see how.
Yes.
Would you still want it as field or do you want it as cluster?
Uh, I would want it as field executive and the cluster. Would that be possible? I don't think so.
No.
Yes. That is where the difference between Tableau, Power BI, and this particular interface is. So I get to see the clusters, but then that is where the challenge is. Never mind. But then for my work tomorrow, the thing that I would need to present to my national head, I think with this would suffice.
This will
And
suffice.
yes, I think I would get a pat on the back for doing
Wow.
this. And I must say, I must thank you from the deepest core of my heart that you have helped me
Thank you.
out with this.
Thank you.
And I am so sorry once again, and I sincerely
No, no, no
apologize
problem.
for
See, this
having
is
you
also,
wasted your time.
no, no, no. So you can do it as an image. Okay. You can print it out as an
Okay,
image. You can print it out as a PDF. Okay.
right.
So
That's
let's say
great.
if you want it as an image, and then you will get it as an image. Only thing is, I don't know if it is.
No, I would have, I believe I will need to present this online. So I don't think I would need to take a
Oh,
printout.
okay.
Even if I
No,
do
what I
take
was,
out a printout, it will become too clumsy.
no, that's what I'm trying to see if we can, make it little more, because if you have it as a separate file, advantage is you can then open it in separate rather than showing it
Yes,
as a, uh, you know,
mere printout, right?
yeah. So because the map, because, oh, there is a zoom option here. This is what I was checking out actually. So
Okay.
if you zoom in to get closer, and that because of the width it's happening. The other option
Yes.
is you can get it as a PDF.
Okay.
Okay. So here when I say share, you can share it with yourself. You can give a map, you can give a description. Okay. And
I see.
you can say once you do this preview, that is where you can see this, all this. Okay.
Right. So what I typically want
You
is
can
see
also,
to
like,
like.
if you want, let's see,
Mhm.
what is this? It will just show you
The A's.
A's.
Okay.
A, cluster is A, field executive is A. What is it? B. What is it doing? You can basically, this is to help you do a filter or something like this.
Yes, probably had the names of the executives been different, it would
Yeah.
have been easier for us.
Yeah, I messed it up. So maybe
No,
I
no,
should
no,
have
no,
given
that's
some
okay. I
other
completely understand. Yes.
So, and then you can of course share it with, you can share via email. Okay, and you can put it on your email. So you have a copy of
Okay.
it.
Perfect. Now that I have an idea now, I think I'll be able to sort this out
Okay,
by
great.
playing with the numbers
Yes,
and the
yes.
rows and the
Yeah,
columns.
that's what you,
I,
and maybe, with some realistic data, you might get some
yes.
more ideas. Okay.
Absolutely, because
And
the names of the executives are majorly different. Number one, the kind of client base that they handle, that is also different, and the geographies that they cater to, that is also different. So I just needed to organize the agenda behind this is I want to decrease the travel time of the field executives.
okay.
So say for example, one particular guy by the name of Mizanur, he has his first meeting in Barasat, the second meeting in Sector 5, the third meeting in Tollygunj, and the fourth meeting in Howrah. What I would want to do here is I want to give him those companies wherein if he moves out of his home or office and moves to a particular location, he can cover at least 7, 8 companies at one stretch.
Okay. Let me
That
ask
is
you
the
this
agenda behind
question.
this.
Within a
Yes.
cluster, can you have multiple field executives?
Yes, I will have to do that because why I say so, for a geography like Calcutta, since we are a business to business e-commerce platform, the 40% of the client base is in Calcutta one and the places surrounding it.
Okay.
Lal Bazar, Dalhousie, Girish Park, Mahatma Gandhi Road, Bada Bazar.
Okay.
This is
Now,
where the maximum number of
okay,
clients are.
while you have this Google map with you, this is one option.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
if I may present another option to you, have a look
Okay.
at it. If you like it, you can
Okay.
use it. And
Okay.
by the way, which version of Excel you have on your laptop?
Uh, is there a way to check this? Because I was told by my IT guy that it has been upgraded to the latest version
365.
along with the Microsoft.
Okay.
Yes,
Now, if you
Office
can go to this
365.
charts, you see the
Okay.
charts here. Go to
Yes.
recommended charts.
Yes.
And do you see anything like a map or something?
Just a second. I'll open up.
Or you want to share? That's also fine.
Okay, I'll share it. I'll share it for you. If you
I'll
could
stop
just
the
please
recording.
allow me to.
Yeah, I'll stop the recording.
Okay. So I'll open this file. So this is the pin code wise data.